This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Victoria Eberhardt. Situated on a corner lot of 0.27 acres, this home offers so much along with a great neighborhood. Featuring a split floor plan of 1,344 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The master bedroom provides a walk-in closet, walk-in shower, and things only get better in the kitchen with granite countertops, soft close cabinets, and all stainless steel appliances. This ranch-style home has so much to offer. Recently built in 2019 with cathedral ceilings, a cute covered front porch and an open back deck great for grilling, a fully encapsulated crawl space and a 2-car garage. Come by for a private tour and find out just for yourself how cozy and perfect this home is for you and your family. For more information, review the details below or contact Victoria Eberhardt at 865-693-1111.